Welcome to TopNotch Countdown, where we go beyond the obvious and dig into the amazing. You've probably grown up believing humans have 5 senses: sight, sound, smell, taste, and touch. But what if I told you that's just the beginning? Science actually recognizes at least 20 different senses. And today we're counting down the top 10 human senses you didn't know you have. These hidden superpowers are working silently behind the scenes, helping you survive, navigate, and experience the world in mind-blowing ways. Number 10. Thermoception. We kick things off with thermoception, your body's ability to detect heat and cold. This sense is what helps you feel the warmth of the sun or the chill of a cold breeze. It's not just about comfort, it keeps you alive. Thermoreceptors in your skin and brain help regulate your internal body temperature. They're why you shiver when you're cold and sweat when you're hot. This sense plays a huge role in homeostasis, your body's natural balance. Number 9. Nociception. Pain might not feel like a sense, but nociception is one of your most critical survival tools. It's your body's way of screaming, "Stop that, it's dangerous." Whether you touch a hot stove or twist your ankle, specialized nerve endings instantly react to potential damage. It's more complex than we realize. There are different receptors for physical injury, extreme heat, and chemical burns. Without nociception, you'd keep injuring yourself without even knowing it. Number 8. Proprioception. Ever wonder how you can walk without looking at your feet or touch your nose with your eyes closed? That's proprioception, your body's sense of itself. It's how you know where your limbs are without having to look. Sensors in your muscles and joints constantly send feedback to your brain, telling it where everything is. Without proprioception, even simple movements would be awkward or impossible. It's like your own built-in GPS for your body. Number 7. Equilibrioception. This is your sense of balance, and it's managed by the vestibular system inside your inner ear. Filled with fluid and tiny hair-like sensors, it detects movement, tilt, and gravity. It keeps you upright when walking, helps you stay balanced on one foot, and even lets you know if you're falling. When it malfunctions, you feel dizzy or get motion sickness. It's the invisible hand keeping your world from spinning out of control literally. Number 6. Chronoception. You may not have a stopwatch in your brain, but you do have chronoception, your body's internal clock. It helps you estimate how much time has passed and syncs your sleep-wake cycle. It's tied to your circadian rhythm and influenced by light exposure, hormones, and even your body temperature. That feeling when a minute feels like an hour during boredom, or hours fly by when you're having fun, that's chronoception in action, and it's more psychological than you might think. Number 5. Interoception. Interoception is like your 6th sense, but internal. It lets you feel what's going on inside your body: hunger, thirst, heartbeat, even the urge to breathe. It helps regulate emotions, physical well-being, and survival instincts. For example, your brain constantly monitors your gut, blood pressure, and oxygen levels without you even knowing. People with strong interoception can better recognize emotions like anxiety because they notice how their heart rate or breathing changes. Number 4. Magnetoreception. Some studies suggest that humans may possess a limited form of magnetoreception, or the ability to detect Earth's magnetic field similar to birds and sea turtles. While we don't use it consciously to navigate, experiments have shown that certain human brain cells react to changes in magnetic orientation. It's still being researched, but if proven, this could mean we have a compass in our brains we don't even know about. Number 3. Bladder sensation. That's thanks to a unique sense, your visceral fullness sense, especially in the bladder. Specialized stretch receptors inside your bladder wall tell your brain when it's time to go. The same applies to your stomach and intestines too. These internal pressure detectors help you avoid serious problems, like rupturing organs or overeating, by alerting you when things are too full. Number 2. Chemoreception. While smell and taste are chemical senses, chemoreception goes deeper. It includes your body's ability to detect chemicals internally. For instance, your brain senses the levels of carbon dioxide in your blood. If they get too high, you'll feel the urge to breathe faster. This sense also helps detect spoiled food, environmental toxins, and even the scent of fear through pheromones. It's a subtle but crucial system that keeps you in balance and away from harm. Number 1. Peripheral vision reflex. And finally, at number 1 is a sense that often goes unnoticed: the peripheral visual reflex. Your eyes are designed not only to look straight ahead but also to constantly scan the edges of your vision. This helps detect motion, especially threats or sudden movements. Ever flinch when something moves in the corner of your eye? That's this reflex kicking in. It's an evolutionary survival trait helping early humans spot predators, and modern humans avoid speeding cars or flying objects. And there you have it, 10 human senses you probably never knew you had. From balancing and body awareness to internal clocks and chemical detectors, your body is doing way more than just seeing and hearing. Which of these surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a countdown. This is TopNotch Countdown, and we'll catch you in the next one.